Good morning, another Thursday, another cover opportunity, which I'm really grateful for. I really look forward to teaching today, and I am drinking my smoothie, which I shared the recipe to in my last video, and it's another hot day as well. I am not complaining about the weather because it seems like it's been a long winter this year. Lots of rain, lots of just sunless days. So I am really happy that it's this nice for this long. Making my way through this book, which I've been reading for quite a while. I did leave it aside for a little bit, and I've just come back to it because I do struggle to DNF books. It's just always on my mind. I'm like, I wonder what happened. So I do want to finish it, especially since I've heard good things about it, and I am enjoying it, don't get me wrong. It's just maybe not the genre. Romance in general, I wouldn't say it's my favorite, so maybe that's why. Anyway, I will catch up with you a little later. Let's see how far we get until I have to leave for my class. I have taken about 2 weeks to finish this vlog that you're watching, and the thing is, I really want to share it out into the world, even if it's not 100%, even if it makes no sense. I just feel like the reason why I do these vlogs is partly because it's a creative way of expressing myself. I enjoy the whole process of vlogging. The other reason is because I feel like I want to reflect or give back that which it has given to me. I find so much comfort in watching creators on YouTube, people who I admire, and most of the people that I do watch have very ordinary lives, very mundane things which they do that I find quite a lot of relaxation in. I feel I'm also like hanging out with friends, and it can be a weird thing to think about at times, but if we really lean into the idea of time itself and energy, and how time and space don't really have a constriction, like the way I watch a creator reading a book and then there's me reading a book at the same time, or you know, drinking coffee and I'm drinking my coffee. And what's really the difference except the physical aspect of us being together in the same room? If I'm making sense to you, then it's almost like we are sharing this experience together, you watching this video or me watching another video. Just the fact that we get to hang out for this duration can bring about a different type of experience for you and for me, because knowing that somebody out there is watching and maybe finding a sense of comfort in company and inspiration, whatever it may be, then I feel like I've done a good job. I wanted to let you know that I have finally finished the things, we even finished the book I shared with you. I mentioned to my friends at my book club chat that I felt like I climbed Mount Everest after reading that book, because it seems like it dragged on for so long, but at the same time I enjoyed the book. So I'm not really sure. I think, like I mentioned, romance is probably not my preferred genre. I do feel like I'm a mood reader and I just wasn't in the mood to read it so quickly. I did start yesterday, which is one I was really looking forward to. I am 30 pages in, so I only started it yesterday and already I've read 30 pages, and that previous book took me like 3 months. Another thing I want to leave you with is that taking time to chill, to relax, to pay attention to your inner needs, desires, developing that sort of intuitive guidance. Recently, I have intended to practice letting go, giving myself enough time to recharge my batteries, and to know that, you know, even if there's clothes all around me, which they are at the moment, which you can't see, that they will get done when they need to get done, when I have a little more energy. If this week has all of these challenges for me, then I can't keep up with the same tempo as I did previously, because then I'm just going one step further above my energy and what I'm capable of giving because I'm just going to burn out and then I'll need a whole week to recover. So it's just something that I'm going through, and I am starting to see the shift in motion. And if you're feeling quite similar, maybe you do feel like you're just burning out all the time, there's always something to do, it's difficult for you to, you know, pause or to let some things just be for a moment, then just know you're not alone and it's a process. The fact that this is coming up for you at the moment, the fact that maybe you're trying to set some boundaries for yourself, think about the balance in life that you're maybe missing at the moment and give yourself what you need so that you feel more fulfilled, more like you are enjoying life. Who knows? Who knows what's around the corner, what tomorrow may bring. So this is your sign to become more present, to notice what's around you. And if it is a challenge that you're going through, remind yourself that the wheel keeps turning. The only constant is actually change. Again, I don't know if I have done a great job with this video. I would really love to get some feedback from you, because actually feedback is so great for me. It's really a great opportunity for me to learn and to continue to share what's helpful, what's maybe motivating, inspiring for you to watch. Do share with me what you've been up to, if anything resonates. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.